Beloved intercessor, as we are repairing the walls of protection around us, those walls represent the protection of our homes, our lives, our personal integrity. And today I want to mention the subject of repairing the vision of victory. A vision of victory. In Nehemiah 2, verse 12, it says, I slept away during the night, taking a few men with me. I have not told anyone about the plans, listen to this, please repeat with me, plans, about the plans that God has placed in my heart for Jerusalem. Even though all we could see in those days was destruction and defeat, but however, this man of God received a vision and restored the vision of victory, and soon he began to communicate it to the people of God. So I'm going to ask you, intercessor, write the vision that you have for your group and your ministry. Write the vision of multiplication. And then I'm going to ask you a big favor, a double favor. Pray every day for your leader, the leader of your group. Our leaders need more covering and more protection. And then I'm going to ask you to include me in your prayer list and pray for me and for my family. We need your prayers of protection. And you may want to mention a powerful phrase of faith every time you pray for your leaders and for me, until we see tremendous victory. We are beginning to repair the walls of intercession and protection in this network, and we will see a great multiplication. God bless you.